If you've been doing PKs week in, week out, and you've always been losing, you always wonder what has actually been causing you to lose. You don't even know how to boost the points so as to win all those gifts. You've done everything you could, but you couldn't just win at any point. If that's you and you're nodding, as I'm saying, if you've done all these things, then this is definitely your video. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you the secrets that you need to apply so as to win the PKs and walk away with major big time points. Without any further ado, let's take a ride. So there are a couple of things that you have to be doing anytime a PK is on. And one of those things is actually opening a panel for your club. And then you invite over all the members of the club so that you begin to exchange gifts, right? I actually did a video on how to exchange gifts. So you open the club from here. If you're an agent, you haven't yet created a club, I actually did a video on how to do so. So I'm gonna leave the link for that video in the description section as well as in the comment section. So this is actually the club, right? So I need to open the panel so that other people can actually join in. And here we go. It has 12 seats, right? All I have to do is click open club. So after the panel is opened, people need to click these seats and occupy them. What you begin to do from here is you begin to send honor cards, combat cards. You share gifts as much as you can. Those of you who would like to make exchanges, you do that from here. And make sure that you bring in the people who are members of the club, those under your guild. And that way, you're going to see your points skyrocket and you're going to actually defeat your opponents. So apart from hosting parties and inviting all the members of the club so that you begin to share gifts, you can as well begin to share cards. There are those cards that you happen to be awarded with for accomplishing certain tasks on the platform. Like when you do a couple of tasks in the club, you'll be given cards like the honor cards, friendship cards, all those combat cards. Those are very powerful and they happen to boost your PK points. Those will help you win. And there you have it. If you've learned one or two things, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that the next time I'll drop another video, you don't miss it out. I'll catch you in the next video.